at the fish. That's right. Show me bags of food. Right, we are at the Aldridge Gardens in Hoover, Alabama. We just stopped and got our little 25-cent bags of fish and duck food. They sell it out of little like gumbo machines, and you can also get it at the front gatehouse. It's only 25 cents a bag. Come on this way, love. The Aldridge Gardens is kind of like a botanical gardens, but a smaller scale. They have lots of really neat things. Little sculptures around, all kind of plants. They have a really cute little gift shop. I had a video of the front of the shop, but apparently you can't answer a call while you're videoing on my phone. Random neat stuff. I will show y'all some of it as we're going through it. Like I said, it's in Hoover, Alabama. It's not far from the Dollar Movies or the Galleria. I won't talk a lot through this one. I'll just show y'all some of the neat things. There is a walking track here. It's about a half-mile long, and it goes around this pond, lake, whatever you want to call it. There's a little boathouse down here, and you can feed the animals from it. I'm going to hit stop until we get down there and actually start feeding them, and you can see that. You're going to feed them? Yeah. Alright, well let's get them a little food. If I can get this open. Well, I think they know what these bags are. Here's some for you to feed, throw them, Lovey. Throw it out there, don't feed it from your hand. Alright, let's go get on in the house. There's lots and lots of animals here. Yeah, there's the duck food. Now here's the duck food.
Watch them eat the food. Throw it out there. Throw it right out. Oh, please don't put that food up. This fish still has fish.
Throw some fish food out.
I can eat the bread. Take it. And then we better not take it anymore. Whoa. What's that?
If I give it to
Is that a duck?
Mama,
See the duck?
Mama, what can give it to a fish? Look how fine it is. You just got fish.
Throw it around there.
Oh, the duck stole it.
You see the fish, Isaac?
Alright, you want to save some for when we go around here? Let's save some. Geese can be mean, Lovey. Just keep walking. Just keep walking, love. Don't put your hand out to it. No, I don't know if I want to feed these right here. Keep walking, keep walking. Down the path we go. I like the little statue of the ducks with the mama duck. You see the pretend ducks, love? You can't pick them up. See this statue? Don't pull on it. Because they're pretend. Come Along by Frank Fleming. Yeah, there's animals poop out here. Come on, get back on the path. Go, let's go over here. It's a neat little mulching idea. They have pine cones as their mulch through right here on these little slopes. You found a feather? Cool. Oh, there's a wasp. Just trying to get close up on this pretty little flower here, but then a wasp came. Yeah, it's the little butterfly bench. It's one of my favorite sculptures besides the, there's one with a tortoise and a hare. There's a little sign, honeybees at work. Ellavy's gonna go try to harass the little bird you just saw. Ellavy, come back here! Lots of little stuff. I'm not sure about that sculpture. It kind of creeps me out. Here's another neat little spot, I think. It's got a little frog sculpture right here. And frogs casting a net. And there's a little, my mind went blank. Grasshopper right there. Alright. Like I said, you can take the trail all the way around. And over there's also a place where you can build fairy houses out of some wood and stones. And there's neat sculptures over there. I won't show you everything because we don't want the video to be too long. And you want some surprises if y'all ever make it out this way. Once again, this is the Aldridge Gardens in Hoover, Alabama. It is free to get in. Has a half-mile loop. You can feed the animals. It's $1/4 a bag for feed. And it's a great place to stop if there's lots of places to eat out here. There's the Galleria, the dollar movies. There's also fancy movies. But great little stop. Hey, Livy, what do you like about it?
Good.
Do you want to say bye-bye?
Bye.